Hello, good morning. Oh, so we're filming some content for Peking Duck today. We got Chad on the videos. What happened to my partner here?
You look good, dude.
My viewers want to see your outfit.
Oh my god. You don't ever post this.
He goes, where's that sexiness? Look at that. Look at that back. Alright.
The tattoos aren't flattering in this outfit. Can we get a pre-shot before we
Look
go?
at that.
Good morning. So I'm kind of making this spread because Ken and his friends are here. We're making pancakes, sausage, and egg whites because I this is the breakfast.
Sorry.
Sausage, pancakes,
Really?
and no
Not-
egg whites.
I was like, are you
Not
taking
just
Canelo?
regular
And he was
pancakes.
like, oh, it's like
Protein packed.
Protein.
Oh no, that's just
Got some friends over because we just finished shooting our video. Oh yeah, egg whites. Uh-oh, the editing happens. Good ass bacon right there.
Kane, is your milkshake good? Yeah, it's good. It's secret, huh? Ooh, why you shy, Kuya? And we're ready for our day, finally. We are on our way to see, what is it? An air show?
Yeah.
By this local airport by our house. It's probably almost over. We have like 1 hour left.
They didn't let us go to the air show. They said it's closed, so they turned us around and said,
We can't go anymore, Baba.
that sucks. Tomorrow then. Yeah, I know, that's why it's too big for me.
So we missed the air show, but Daddy and King got to see. Hi! We got to see some jets at home. You saw the jets, Kane?
yeah.
It was loud,
Ooh,
huh?
it was super loud.
It's super loud like this.
Hi, Carter. Are you ready? Are you sad we missed the airplanes? We rushed home to feed Carter and now we don't know where to go. Daddy got some, what is it? Tacos?
Dos tacos.
And I got bacon wrapped
They didn't have
shrimp.
goat today.
And the kids are sharing the sampler platter. We got like pulled pork sliders, I think like chicken taquitos, nachos, and cheese quesadillas. Do you like it, Kiki? Mm-hmm. Kane, cheers!
But donkey donk. Look at that. Look at that.
We're watching Space Jam. You guys remember Space Jam? Such an old movie. Bugsy! Bugs Bunny. You guys don't even know who Bugs Bunny is, huh? Oh, so cute. Strong arms, strong arms.
Okay.
One. Nope. Take it off.
Okay.
Kane,
Hold
what are
on.
you
Put your leg down. Go that way. Remember? Yeah. Have strong arms. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Exactly. Okay. Go down. Go down.
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Daddy for mine. No, Daddy. No, Daddy. No, Daddy.
Hi, baby. I love it when you smile. You always smile after you eat. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yeah. You're happy, baby. Happy, baby. What are we doing? We're watching the
fight,
Canelo and Chan. So we're gonna end our vlog here. We're at our friend's house.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know. Good night.
Good night.